So I haven't done a parking video in a while, so let me do a quick parking video showing my system that has been working really well on every platform. So let me just try to do a new one. Alright, so we're gonna try to park in between those cones right there. Alright, go ahead, pull forward. In this car is super small, so usually I would say line up your mirror with the cone, but in this case this car is so small that we're gonna line up the steering wheel. Go forward a little bit more. You see that? Stop. That's good. If you notice, straight ahead it's lined up like that. What you need to do generally is line up your mirror like that. Go ahead, turn all the way left and roll into the space. As soon as you pass the cones on the right side here, you centered, you straighten up and you pull straight in, and it works every time.